Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here, looking at the euro dollar. See how extended this is, overextended I should say. Just going to go out to the monthly. I want to show you what I've marked up here. So we've got this level here. If we look back, we can see multiple touches at this level, monthly level. You can see how the market interacted with this level back here, here, previously here, here. So we have a monthly resistance level, and on the weekly time frame, same thing. If you go back, you'll be able to pick up, well, this high, the weekly back through here. It's kind of moved in and around this level, but you can see how it's acted as support and resistance, all the way back through here. Support, resistance, I should say resistance, support. So we've got this weekly, monthly, and daily. Have a look at this on the daily. Right, so basically what I'm doing is just see if we have this daily level. Multiple touches if we look back. So, I mean, I'm looking at this, building an argument for a counter trend trade short. The other thing we have is this very overextended rally. This is the accumulation range through here, back down in here, got balance area. That is a target. So let's just mark that up on the 1D daily, and I'll go down to the lower time frame and give you my take on this. So like, I'm looking to counter trend trade this, and levels of interest are going to be this high. We'll just mark that up as a daily level. Yeah, it is. Over here as well, we've got through here, these highs, this low, couple of levels there, and we've got this high here as well. All right, so I'm looking to counter trend. So all I'm doing at the moment is just picking up previous levels of support and resistance. These will act as levels, target levels, etc. Right, so I'm good with that. Let's go down to, in fact, we'll grab this high here. Now let's go down to the 4 hour. I'm really looking for a day trade slash maybe intraday. If that's going to be the case, actually, before we do, just notice here, this candle here, we've got the high on the left, we've got the low on the current daily candle on the right. We've got this, well, imbalance here. We've got quite a significant imbalance in through here, this thin candle. Now the market will look to rebalance on the daily time frame. That's down around these levels here. So let's just have a look at this on the 4H. I've already shorted this. I'm in with a couple of positions already. Now the key levels. Now see how we've marked up these yellow lines here. Well, coincides with this 4 hour accumulation here, and what I'm going to do is I'll actually go down to a 5-minute chart. I'm going to show you how you can get involved and navigate the volatility. There's the other level that I'm interested in here. This is a 4 hour order block. This is actually my target level here more than anything. I think this is going to retrace. Could be completely wrong, but this is overextended. We've got, I mean, I'm not really an Elliott wave kind of guy, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's definitely a 5-wave structure in here. And 3 drive pattern, well, I mean, we could pull that up. I'm always looking for these sort of things, like 3 drive, Elliott wave. So you could call that drive 1, drive 2, and drive 3. All right, now I want to see some weakness come into this and see an opportunity. All right, what else can I show you? Yeah, on the 4 hour time frame, this is significant here as well. This thin candle here, all right, we've got the high on the left, the low on the right. Let's pull that through. We've got this imbalance, 4 hour. So 4H imbalance, market's looking for a couple of things. It's looking for liquidity, price gap, and it's looking to rebalance. So we've got this 4H price gap. That's up in here, but we've also got, even down in here, we've got more levels here we could mark up. But I'm really more interested in this kind of range up in here at the moment. All right, so here's a price gap. Now we've got this level here. This is a balance area that I'm thinking that market could look to target, possibly. I mean, it's been pushing up relentlessly. It could continue on, but, you know, I mean, I don't really want to buy at this level. I will buy around here, though. And I will look to take a counter trend short. Trading through this price gap, I think, would be the thing for me. So that's my take on this from the, you know, like higher time frame perspective. What I want to do now is actually go down to the lower time frame and show you how it's possible to get involved with this on a 5-minute chart. I'll show you this. See these lines here? All right. What we're looking at is this bar gives us a 4-hour and a daily. When they meet a certain criteria, this bar will paint. And down here we've got a multi-time frame indicator telling us that the 1, 2, 4 and daily are green, bullish. So it's, see this signal here? It's backed up by that, the start of this bar here, and it's also, we have these green bullish divergence. When you see a setup like this, this is a no-brainer, and that is a daily level. What I'm going to do, I think I've already got them up, got everything in there. Take notice of these levels. We're trading into the London Open, this blue, and the other thing that I teach in my my VIP group is to look for this range prior to the London Open. It's a bullish market. These are bullish. We're looking for a bullish signal. We've got this fake out here. This is the fakey shaky pattern I'm always talking about. There's your fake out. There's your balance area. Fake out. There's your shakeout. Takes out stops. And there's your trade. This is our signal. This fired, you know, this goes off in the alerts log. I mean, that's when you take the trade back in here. Or you can wait for it to kind of move back down. I mean, you could set up a limit buy down here if you wanted to, above this daily. So let's just go back. And by the way, guys, click on the links below. You can head over to my website where you can gain access to these indicators. Look at this. I'll show you this. I mean, these are beautiful trades. We're just going to go all the way back here to the last green dot. These are the signals that I'm looking for. That. And as you can see, we've got the dot, we've got the divergence, these lines. We don't have this green bar under, but what we do have is these guys giving us a 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, a 3 out of 4 green. There's your buy right there. Let's go back, have a look at another one. Okay, this is a bearish opportunity, so I'm going to ignore the green signals, even though that was a nice trade, this one down here. When you see these red, with the majority of these red, or at least half of those red, that's a strong signal. And look, this is the there's your Q, there's your divergence. You can see that there. That's the alert. It's backed up with this. There's your trade. Okay, so we've got 2 out of 4 of these red. We've got the red bar back in here. And then we've got that. So guys, jump on board, click the links below, join our free Telegram, have a look at the We Trade Your Forex account link, and to finish off the video, here, this is a counter trend trade. So be careful, all right? So we're not, there's a bit more risk involved with this, but what I like with this price action at the moment is this. All right, it's counter trend. These are green, it's bullish, and we're going to be, well, I'm shorting it. But what I'm looking at, have a look at this. This 1700 is the New York Open. I'm in Brisbane, Australia. That's my time. 1700 London Session Open. Sorry, not New York. That's the London Session Open. It's a bullish market. However, what I like about this price action is, have a look at this. All right, we've got this range. Builds liquidity above and below, and I'm always looking for the first indication of a possible short is a fake out. This draws in short traders. It builds more liquidity above. Fakey, shaky. There's a short. Possibly. I mean, you know, can it do that and continue on? Absolutely it can. There's always a risk in the market, but I like what I'm seeing here, and if this trades up into London, you might see the rotation. The thing you could wait for if you're a little bit hesitant is this. Let me show you this. You've got the pattern. We've got the London Open. Let's just mark that up, and then I'm going to mark up the Asia close as well. So London Open, my 1700 Brisbane time. Here's something to look for, London Open. And then we've got the Asia close. So keep an eye on these session times. Asia close is about 19, is it? Try that. And the Asia close, my time 1900 Brisbane, Australia. And then later on we got the New York Open. This, I mean, look, it could travel in any direction, but I'm thinking range, fakey, shaky, this lower high, possibly, I don't know, you know, and then does it come back? But be careful, because it's going to look, if it is shorting, it's going to look for these levels up here, and then possibly we get that, possibly. So just be careful, because generally you'll see it trade down, trade back up, and you know, but it's these lower highs, lower lows. So wherever this shapes up, what you want to wait for is on the lower time frame, and I'll go down to a 3-minute chart. So let's do that, and I'll show you what I'm looking for here. All right, I'm already short. I mean, I like what I'm seeing here. This is looking like it's shaping up to give us a short. And again, I could be wrong, but you know, I mean, it's a matter of probability and possibility from experience. I'll take the risk, give it an 80%, all right? 20% it goes the other way and takes us out. So what I'm looking for here is a couple of things. We're on the 3-minute chart. We've got the fakey shaky. We've also got even a 1-minute chart, but just keep an eye out for when we see we've got this strong move here. I want to see another strong move and then a retrace. I want to see this fairly strong, and then I want to see it pull back, and that could be an opportunity here. But what you want to wait for is, if we grab this, you want to wait for, I mean, see, we've already got these lower lows now, lower high, lower low. Let's see if we get a lower low here, and then it trades back up into here, or maybe even into here, but I want to see a lower high. Okay, so this is a trend setting up. Let's just kind of make a mess here. Do it, why not? Okay, there it is. There's your trend, okay. Lower high here, and if you see that rolling over on the lower time frame, there's an entry short. Stop loss, well, I mean, you could even go a stop loss here. It might be a little tight. Up here would be a good level for a stop in there. So guys, look, smash the likes, comment, do all that stuff. Let everybody know this is an amazing video. And I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. That's my take on the euro dollar. See you in the next one.